Hello everyone, welcome back to Marlin's Fishing Adventures. We are on Preston Beach to get out the wind and whatever. So we've gone around to Weymouth side to fish. So that is the conditions. Look at that, looks bassy, doesn't it? So I've got some lovely ragworm, which is on a 2-hook boom rig. So got some worm on there. So the baits I have got with me today is anchovy, bluey, squid, razors, blacks, and something else, I can't remember. So we're giving it a bash. Hopefully we get something. The weather has been pretty bad for us, to be fair. It's only a short one. Oh, look at him go. That was a swan. Look at all those chickens. So yeah, it's not been great for us. So we've come around here just to get out of the wind, give it a bash and see what happens. So we have had fish. I've had an eel first night of 7.2. Oh, I don't know if I had a tappy tap then. I'll put you on the rods for the minute. Hopefully that's on the rods. I can't tell. So yeah. I had an eel of 7.2 first night. My mate Gary, that's come up with me, well, organised this holiday, he had a nice bass. And Greg, we went to the cove yesterday and had a nice bream. So we're doing all right fishing wise, even though how hard work it is. Sorry, I'm moving around, getting a drink. Yeah, it's been hard work so far, but we've got, whenever on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, got about 3 days left of fishing. Don't know why I'm fishing tomorrow because my mate's out on a boat for a birthday present. So might look somewhere local. I have, Mrs. ain't gonna be happy, but I bought a cheap lure rod with some cheap squid jigs, because there's a lot of squid coming up here, up this way. So I thought, do you know what? I'm going to give it a bash, see if I can get any squid out. So I don't know if you'll be able to cast in these conditions, and I don't know if they'll be here in these conditions because it is a bit lumpy, shall we say. But I bought that type of squid, smaller squid, and a red one. So apparently the red ones do quite well. If I'm reading up on the squid forums, I'm a few pages I'm on. So gonna give that a bash as well. So who knows? Might flick a lure out later, just to see if there's anything about. Because Gary had one off the cove yesterday. Nice little one actually. Well, let's say little, it was some size, had some size to it. So I thought, why not? And plus, when he goes out on his boat tomorrow, even if I don't go anywhere too far, it's a bit of a bridge near me. So I can go to the bridge and do some drop shotting with some little lures, because this little setup came with a few little lures on a drop shot. So thought give it a go. I should have brought my stuff up with me. That's why I bought sorry, bought what I've got. Well, I bought this little rod because I'm stupid and forgot. Well, I did forget. I just thought it'd be more gear, but how small it is, I should have brought it. So yeah, this is Preston Beach, apparently. Apparently the tackle shop bloke, don't know how true it is, so it's what it is. Said sorry, I had a bit of line in my mouth. It said that there's rays coming off here, bass coming off here, and all sorts. And this is where Gary wanted to come to have a go. It looks quite good, so we might come again another time and give it a go. But yeah, till then, I'll bring you back and see you later. Hi everyone, I'll bring you back. Just brought in my little scratching rig and a miniature tiny bass schoolie. So there's another species off the list, so I'm going to try and get this one back soon as, because it's only small. So yeah, it's only tiny. So yeah, we started bass. I just had a tap tap tap. Just watch this left hand rod. It'll go bang bang. Hopefully that'll be a fish. See that? Yeah, that's a fish. Hopefully it's a fish. So let's see. It's got a bit of weight to it. Don't know if you hear me, but I'm going to bring it in. It might be all covered in weed. So you can hear me, I'm back. Another bass. I'm on it. The conditions look bassy. So let me sort this out, get some of the weed out the way. I don't know how deeply hooked he is. Looks fairly deeply hooked. Let's get a T-bar on him. They are very spiky, and he's not opening his mouth. Is he opening his mouth? So yeah, there's another one, a little bit bigger, better stamp. Another schoolie. Let's get him back. See you in a bit, guys. I think I've got tappy taps on the left hand again. This is my boom rig with ragworm on it. It did go tap tap, so let it develop a little bit. There is quite a bit of weed out there, but the fish through the weed. To help with the weed, just keep regular changing or checking baits as well. So far 2 bass. Only schoolies, but a fish is a fish, saves a blank. So out of my trips so far, So I've had, what, this is my fourth. So if we're Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday. Yeah, so my fourth trip. I've blanked once. So not bad going. 3 out of 4. Yeah, a little tap there. Very small. I just sent out a black log with a, well, that might be waves, that one. Yeah, sent out a bit of black with tipped with squid. Black's come back gone. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If it develops, I'll bring you back. Can't see much at the minute, so see you in a bit. I'll move you around a bit so you can see the rods, the beach and whatnot. So let's see. There you go. I think there's something on that, so I'm going to check it. I don't know how well you see the tappy taps from the well, I put the camera. So let's see. The baits are pretty good, so I'm just going to send it back out. I literally just casted this out. I'm not casting very far. Just into that surf, a little flick. Don't think it's very deep here. So yeah, little flicks. Little bass. Like I said, the weed is quite bad here. Set the gripper, let the grippers in, get the rod, bury the rod a bit, boom, just set back up. So, see what happens. I've got rigs baited up, sorry. So, yeah. It's looking absolutely lovely out there. Looks very bassy, doesn't it? So, that's the roddies. So I don't know if you saw the tappy taps, I do not know. But I'm moving the camera so you can see a bit more what's going on. That's slackened off a bit, so just keep an eye on it. And then take up the slack if you need to. That's going to slack well bad. Yeah, I think that's slackened off. I think that's a fish. Could be a fish or weed, I don't know. That's slackened right off. So we'll see. I don't think there's anything here. But if not, very long. There's not much weed out there. I thought there seems more, but Let's see if we can get it a bit further out, shall we? The waves have died down, it seems like. So I gave it a bit more flick. So it's behind all the breakers. Because bass like to patrol all around that as well. But hopefully after flatfish as well. If they show up, I've got a ray bait out on I wonder if I can reach that. Look like a twat. Yeah, I wonder if sorry about this, just been checking my mic. Got a ray bait out on loop rigs, size 3.0 J-Hooks. Too many people around. I really need to go for a tinkle. But yeah, got J-Hooks out on a loop rig, hoping for a ray, so that's got sand eel on. Well, I mix it between sand eel, bluey, squid, anchovy. Yeah, bring it back in a bit, guys. Hey everyone, I'll bring it back. Nothing to update. Bait's going in, out. Bit more weed about in a minute. Tide is on its way in. So yeah, just keep trying, keep plodding along, see what happens. So yeah, I reckon it will get better when the night fades. Light fades. So yeah, I don't know when that'll be. We are at 4:30 now. So we've been fishing for a few hours. The weed is a bit of a nightmare, but we are pulling fish out. Yes, 2 schoolies, but it's a fish. So we're going to keep those baits going out. Rag, lug, and then my ray baits. But my ray baits are coming back in untouched, so I'm going to leave them out a little bit longer. Apparently one of my mates had a pout in, but that's it. Nothing else has come out. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a quick update. Go from there. It's looking fishy, I'm not going to lie. I reckon there'll be more fish out later. But we are fishing till about 9 o'clock, maybe earlier. I'm not sure because my mate's got to go, he's out on a boat tomorrow. So yeah, see what happens. The night is young. So yeah, see you in a bit. Hi everyone! I bring you back because there's nothing to update. Yeah, I've got a pop-up out at the minute, just to see if that might help, because it might flutter in the wind a bit more. In the waves a bit more. Yeah, the reason I brought you back as well is because I thought this might be the last little bit from daylight. So I thought I'd give you just a quick update. Literally nothing about. What have I done with that? Oh, penalty charge. I was looking for my vape and I was like, no, what have I done that? Oh, I went and lost it down the beach. But no, it's on charge. Yeah. Bass, it looks still bassy still, so yeah, it could be into something later when it gets darker. We don't know. Yeah, we are literally going to stay here till about 9 o'clock apparently. Apparently the weather's supposed to be coming in. And it's 6 o'clock, all but 6 o'clock now. But yeah, we're fishing till about 9, see what happens. Be nice to fish into darkness for a bit and go from there. But yeah, I'm enjoying my little ollie bobs at the minute, not blanking. Caught a few fish, nothing to scream and shout about, but we're getting there. So yeah, until then, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Bambinos, I thought I'd bring you back to tell you that nothing's happening. So yeah, absolutely pants since the bass. Gary's had a bass, small schoolie. Yeah, nothing. We're supposed to have some torrential downpour, which should be here apparently by now, but it's not here yet. So I think we're going to carry on fishing until later, because it's only, what's time? Yeah, 7 o'clock. It's supposed to be raining. So yeah, don't know what the plan is tomorrow. Gonna get out somewhere. I personally would like to get back onto the big beach, but southwesterly winds gonna probably stop play on that. So yeah, pretty poo. So I might make this my outro, because if nothing plays off, nothing comes out, it'd be what it is. But if you don't go, you don't know. I've had 2 bass, so that's a bonus, not blanked. But those boom rigs are doing me very well. So I will try, when I'm out next, I'll show you my boom rigs. Some of you won't know. I bought some pre-made ones. Yeah, but yeah, thank you for watching. If this is my this will be my outro. So thank you for watching. But if anything does happen, I might bring it back. If not, I'll take photos and send the permit in the end. But for now, I don't think anything's going to happen. I might send a ray bait out and go from there. But yeah, cheers for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon. I bring it back because 1 bass, 2 bass, double shot bass. I'm buzzing. Right, I'm gonna sort these out. I'm gonna take photos and I'll put them in, and I'll see you later.